Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Storytime with Ms.G. Our story today is about Fly, Chick, Fly by Jeanne Willis. So I hope you're feeling cozy and you're ready to listen to the story. Here we go. In the middle of the wood, there was an oak tree. In the middle of the oak tree, there was a hole. In the middle of the hole, there was a nest. In the middle of the nest, there were 3 eggs. In the middle of the eggs, there was an owl. She sat on the eggs all day and night. For 30 days and nights, every dawn, every dusk, Father Owl went hunting to feed Mother Owl. That's the Father Owl, that's the Mommy Owl. When the blossom was in bud, the first chick hatched. When the blossom was open, the second chick hatched. When the blossom fell, the third chick hatched. Yay! These are 3. 1, 2, and 3. 10 times a day, Father Owl went hunting. 10 times a day, Mother Owl fed the chicks. The chicks grew and grew. Looks like the father has brought a mouse. That's what owls like eating. When the blackberries were green, the first chick tried to fly. She flapped, she flipped, she flopped. But then she flew. When the blackberries were ripe, the second chick tried to fly. He flapped, he flipped, he flopped. Then he flew too. Yay! The blackberries had gone. The leaves were turning brown, but the last chick was still in the nest. Fly, said Mother Owl. Not I, said the last chick. She would not even try. Look at her in here. And the other 2 are flying. You must fly, said her mother. You must fly, said the father. Why, said the last chick. If I fly, the crow might get me. If I fly, the rain might wet me. If I fly, a train might hit me. My sister flew and never came back. Why would I want to fly? You belong in the sky, said her mother. Your sister is at home in the old elm tree. Fly, little chick, just try. The last chick clung to the end of the branch. She flapped, she flipped, she flopped, and hopped back into the nest. Time to go, said Father Owl. But the last little chick cried, no, no. My brother flew and never came back. Was he eaten by the crow or killed by the truck? Why would I want to fly? You belong to the sky, said the father. Your brother is at home in the old birch tree. Fly, little chick, just try. So the last chick left the nest. She crept to the end of the branch. She flapped, she flipped, she flopped, and this time she flew. Snow came, crow came, spring came, but what became of this last chick? In the wood, there was a beech tree. In the middle of the beech tree, there was a hole. In the middle of the hole, there was a nest. In the middle of the nest, there is an owl. She was the last chick to fly, but she is glad she flew because here is her first chick. She became a mommy. And that's the end of our story. I hope you enjoyed. And today's story is teaching us to at least try. All right? Enjoy your time. Bye-bye.